Am I guilty or not guilty? It's a question that always lingers on my mind. I will tell you just how it was. My father and mother were dead, and my little brothers and sisters were hungry and asking for bread. First, I earned the bread by working hard all day. Somehow, times were hard and the work fell on me. I could get no more work. That night, the weather was bitter cold, and my little brothers and sisters were crying, shivering, and craving for food. My brother and I were in the garden and asked a piece of bread from the sixth day. But she pushed me, scolded me, for I am nothing but dirt. So, I got a piece of bread and ran away. But bang! The gun went off and my brother fell dead. Dino! No! Don't die! Here's a piece of bread! I got it for you and your sister! Please don't die! Dino! I dried my tears in a moment. Then looked at the gun with his eyes. Am I guilty for stealing a piece of bread? What about you? Are you not guilty for killing my innocent brother? Everyone in the courtroom spilled their tears, for they knew that I spoke the truth. May God forgive me for